In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Power BI Sankey chart for data flow visualization. Sankey charts are an excellent tool for visualizing the flow of data and understanding the relationships between different data points. Let's break down how to create one in Power BI step by step. First, start by opening your Power BI application. If you're not familiar with Power BI, it's a powerful business analytics tool that enables you to analyze data and share insights. Once you have Power BI open, you'll notice a clean, user-friendly interface. The first step in creating any visualization is to import your data. Whether you're pulling in data from an Excel spreadsheet, a database, or another data source, Power BI makes this process seamless. You'll find the option to import your data on the Home ribbon at the top of the application. Ensure that the data you import has the fields necessary for a Sankey chart, such as categories for the source and the destination, along with values to denote the flow between these points. Once your data is loaded, direct your attention to the visualization pane on the right-hand side of the screen. Here, Power BI offers a variety of visualization options. To find the Sankey chart, click on the three dots at the top of this pane. This will lead you to a menu that allows you to customize and expand your visualization options beyond the default ones provided in Power BI. Next, in this expanded menu, select the option Get More Visuals. This opens up a window where you can search for a variety of custom visualizations. Type Sankey chart into the search bar. You should see a list of visual options appear. Click on the Sankey chart when you find it. By doing this, you're essentially enriching your Power BI environment with an additional visualization capability, specifically one that's tailored for representing data flows prominently and effectively. After you've selected the Sankey chart, it should now be available in your visualization pane, ready to use. At this point, you can proceed to set up your chart by assigning the appropriate data fields. In the Fields section, drag and drop your data categories into the roles that the chart requires, such as source, destination, and value. This step is crucial as it tells Power BI how to map your imported data onto the Sankey chart, thereby linking sources to destinations with the widths of the flows corresponding to the data values. And there you have it, your very own Sankey chart in Power BI. This chart will now visually illustrate the flow between your categories, giving you insights at a glance. You can further enhance the chart by customizing colors, labels, or interacting with filters to better tailor the data presentation to your needs. I hope you find this tutorial helpful in visualizing data flows using Power BI. Keep exploring the many features of Power BI to uncover all the powerful insights your data can reveal.